Hey, this is Portnova. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a YouTube video into an SEO optimized blog post using ChatGPT in your WordPress website. If you are tired of wasting time, hours, every single day, every single month, every single week, then you want to watch this video because I'm going to show you, like I said, how to turn a YouTube video into an SEO optimized blog post using ChatGPT in your WordPress website. That's going to be super fast, super easy, going to save you tons of time. You're not going to have to use these free tools that transcript the videos of YouTube, and then you have to punctuate them and do all this stuff. We're going to do it all with one click, literally one click, that you'll actually be able to get the YouTube video that you want, and then you'll be able to paste it into your YouTube website where I'm going to show you with My Content Creator Pro Elite, the plugin. I'm going to show you how you can get access to it today. So stay tuned. I'm going to tell you how you can get it below in the video description, but I'm going to show you exactly how this plugin works with this feature with turning a YouTube videos into a WordPress blog post with the power of ChatGPT. Okay. Our WordPress developer that created this plugin took the technology with WordPress and with YouTube and with ChatGPT and put it all together to make this work and make it simple with one click. And literally most videos will be done in 60 seconds. Like I'll show you here, but it's not going to take 60 seconds. That's for videos that could even be an hour long. Most videos you should stay in around 20 to 30 minutes. But like I said, most videos, it only takes 10 seconds, if 30 or 20 seconds. But I'm going to show you. So what I want to do first is, okay, I went on YouTube and I picked out this video right here. So I have this link right here. This is what you do is you just go to YouTube, pick out whichever video you want. And I'm going to show you the slow way first, the bad way, the way that I have been doing it for years prior to this without the technology in my WordPress website with ChatGPT, okay, connecting to YouTube. So I would go to a free, one of these free sites, okay, and I would paste it in right here, and then I would get the transcript, okay. So here we go, a big pile of mess, okay. So we have this pile of mess right here that has no punctuations, no nothing. Doesn't do me any good. Yeah, you could put it in ChatGPT, but it's going to take 20 different prompts, 20 different times. And then you have to actually ask ChatGPT to do SEO optimization. So basically, by the time you get all this stuff done, you've wasted about 3 hours of your time. Okay. That's not what I want to do. I'd rather take 3 hours and actually generate, 20 or 30 or 40 new blog posts from YouTube videos or whatever else I'm doing instead of wasting time trying to do this transcript stuff and then try to figure out the right prompts. And like I said, it takes 20. I tested it myself. So let's say we're going to go over here too. So I'm going to show you, this is another free one you can use, and you just click on generate. And here we go again, just a big pile of mess. Like I said, it's going to take you hours to figure it out. Then you're probably going to mess it up, and because I used to mess it up, and I don't want to do that. That's why we created My Content Creator Pro. This is just one of the many features that it has. And like I said, I'll show you that towards the end of the video and how you can get access to it and how you can actually, look at other features that the plugin has. So if you want to keep doing the old way, that literally takes hours and hours, 3+ hours a day, times 7 or 5, or however much time you have to build your business. If you want to keep doing it the old way, you can, but I wouldn't do it because by the time the week is over with, you've only posted maybe 2 or 3 blog posts when you could have posted maybe 300 plus blog posts in less time and a lot easier. So I'm going to show you now the power of My Content Creator Pro, the Elite, and how it will save you tons of time so you can start getting more free website traffic, more subscribers on your list, and making more money online with literally a click of a button. I know that says a lot because a lot of people say, oh, this one-click stuff. This really is one click once you get the URL. So you go into your WordPress website, okay? So you see that it's installed, it's activated, all that good stuff, and you come over here to post, okay? So we go to post, we click add new post. Then what we do is, before I do this, what's going to happen is it's going to pull the thumbnail and it's going to put it right here as your featured image. And then if there's any kind of like tags, the keywords for the YouTube videos, it's going to put them right there. So you don't even need to even worry about it. This right here, it will automatically do it. If it doesn't, it won't put any there. Then what you want to do is pick a category wherever you want this blog post to be. And like I said, this is going to be SEO optimized also, which literally takes hours to do that too. But like I said, in one click, we do it all. So here we are right here into your site, and we just scroll down here and it goes down to YouTube video to post. So we just paste like I showed you before in those other services. This is where the magic happens. Watch how fast this is. Like I said, I wouldn't do anything more than an hour video. I mean, it can do it. And like I said, my Content Creator Pro Elite plugin, you're not going to pay $30 a month for services that people charge. And some people charge up to $300 a month. Plus you have to pay for credits. But before you know it, you could be spending $1,000, $500, $300. You're going to pay one time with my Content Creator Pro Elite, and that's it. We're not going to buy credits from us. This is all in-house built with our programmer, with technology, with WordPress, with YouTube, and ChatGPT connected all in one. So it's a superpower, and you can't buy it anywhere else on the internet. Because like I said, I made sure because I needed this feature for myself, creating content. And so I ended up having our programmer build this and take this technology to my Content Creator Pro Elite. And now you guys can actually start using the technology that I use to create my blog posts now. So you paste it right in there and you click insert content. So like literally you can watch and you can see, you can time it yourself, but this will probably take less than 10 seconds. It could take 20 seconds, could take 30 seconds. But it will not take longer than 60 seconds. To be honest, it's not even going to take anywhere near that. I'd say like 10, 15 seconds. So you're going to see the power of this plugin right here. Okay, so here we go. It's spinning right here. So we just wait probably a few more seconds here. And you're going to see someone move here in a minute with it's going to pop right up. And it's going to do it really, really simple. So here we go. Still going. It's putting everything together. It's SEO optimizing. It's putting the blog post. Here we go. We have the video title right here. We have the video. This is very good. You want the video on there because this will keep people on the page. Some people want to watch videos. Some people want to read the content only. Some people want to watch the video and they want to read. So look, perfect punctuation, paragraphs, all that good stuff has been added for you perfectly. All this stuff would have taken you hours. And then it SEO optimized also. Make sure you leave this source right here. This basically says this, this owner that created this video, thank you. Get some more traffic to their video and all that good stuff. It's like a win-win for both parties. Okay. So like I was telling you, you can come right over here. Okay. We can scroll right here. You can see that it put the thumbnail right there. That one didn't have any tags. So it didn't have the tags right there. So here it is. That simple, literally one click and you have an SEO optimized article with the video at the top. Perfect punctuation, and literally you saved at least 3+ hours on one blog post that is SEO optimized to start getting you more free website traffic, build your email list, and all that good stuff that you want, especially saving your time. Who has unlimited time? I don't. So go from doing 2 or 3 SEO optimized blog posts if you even know how to do SEO, but go from doing, 2 to 3 blog posts a day to doing 20, 30, 40, 50, possibly even 300 plus every single week. And like I said, you're not going to pay for this monthly. You're not going to pay for this yearly. You're not going to pay credits when you run out. This is unlimited YouTube videos turned into SEO optimized blog posts every day, any day you want. And it's that simple. Okay. So what I was going to tell you is below this video, you can click on the link. It will take you right over here. Make sure you watch the video right here and read about all the other features. The one I told you about today, YouTube videos into SEO optimized blog posts, just one of the many features. Plus you get over 1 million evergreen niche articles. These ones aren't the AI ones, but we also have ones with ChatGPT that can go on, can do, auto blogging, all that good stuff. This video is just to show you the power of just one feature. So like I said, that one feature alone will literally save you thousands of dollars every single month, not to mention all the other features. Literally could save you $10,000+ every single year with all the features. And not to mention, whenever we add new features, you get those for free. You pay one time. And like I said in this video, normally this costs $147. Right now, this is only $97. So I would take action, get this. Like I said, you're not going to pay a monthly fee, yearly fee. We keep it this price right here, the $147. And then every once in a while we have a special, just like we do now. But if we add 10 more features, you're not going to pay for those 10 new features. You're literally going to pay the price that you paid today, and you can use this for a lifetime. Okay. So if you have any kind of questions below this video, like I said in the description, you can click the link. It'll take you over here and you can get this today. My Content Creator Pro Elite with this YouTube to blog post, SEO optimized. Okay. If you have any kind of questions, click below this video in the comments and I'll get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. We are so excited that you watched this video. I can't wait to hear your success stories. Please come back here on this video and let us know your great success. We are here to help. And again, this is Portnova. See you in the next video. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.